This is the entrance to the caravan. These are the steps we use to come inside. Right at the entrance, there's a fire extinguisher for emergencies. It's placed conveniently by the doorway for safety. When you come inside, the first thing you'll notice is the fridge. Let's take a look at it. They've given us a nice, large fridge. It has a lockable handle, which keeps the door securely closed while driving. This prevents items from falling out. The lock makes it both safe and convenient. It's easy to open and close, and it stays firmly shut when needed. Inside there are plenty of shelves, more than enough space to store all our food items. There are 2 smaller shelves and 1 large one, perfect for organizing different types of food. Below that, there's a big drawer where we can store fruits or other items. On the inside of the door, there's space for milk, water bottles, juice bottles, and more. There's a lot of storage space overall, which is really useful. The freezer section is also quite large. It's perfect for keeping butter, frozen foods, or anything else we need to store. There are even side shelves for smaller items like spices or butter. Everything fits securely, and because of the locking system, nothing moves or falls out while driving. It's strong, safe, and beautifully designed. A perfect fridge for our caravan.